Oh hey everybody, today we're going to be cooking up some Boston brown bread. This is going to be so delicious. It's from the Boston Cooking School Cookbook by Fannie Merritt Farmer. And the edition that I have is from 1941 and it's the 7th pressing. I know it's not a record, but Boston brown bread. Here we go. Alright, so gather all the ingredients. I'll put the recipe below. So first add your white flour. Then you're going to add your whole wheat flour. Then you're going to add your cornmeal. And then you're just going to sift it together. You want to get all your dry nice and mixed and blend it together. And when you sift, you're just taking out any of that lumps and clumps that you don't want to get in there. If you want to keep these husks, that's okay. Alright, add your salt. Add your baking soda. Grab your bowl scraper or spatula, whatever you want to call it. This is going to be so great. Okay, so now we're going to add that sweet sassy molasses. Kind of mix that around and get that in there. Get it all in there. Yeah. Alright, so now buttermilk. Throw that in. Get everything ready to bring to the dishwasher, which is me. Stir it all around. Hyper speed. Speed it up. Faster, faster. Let's go, chef. Come on. Come on. We need that. We need that. We need to put this in a can. So there's our mixture right there. As you can tell, it's already starting to activate by the amount of baking soda I've put in there. So now, watch your fingers because I had to mangle the top off this can. And it's really jaggedy. But this is part of the recipe. You need to cook it in the can. So I'm going to stuff it in there. Get every little bit that I can. You shouldn't fill it all the way up as the recipe says. But anyways, I'm going to live a little bit dangerously. Put that little lid back on that can. And watch your fingers. Okay, put a little bit of tin foil over it just for some added security. I'm going to use elastic bands to keep this tight. We'll see what happens. Maybe we'll blow the top off it. I don't know. Add it in my double boiler. Okay, put the lid on. Alright, come back, put on my gloves for safety. Turn it off. Uh-oh, looks like my elastic bands have busted off the top of the can. Ooh. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can get this out of the can. Oh, look at that. We blew the top off it. There's a nice little hole. Oh no. Oh no, it's talking to me. What's it saying? Does it have a Boston accent because it's a Boston brown bread? I don't know. Alright, let's plate this now because this bread is so beautiful. You can see the little toppity top there. Okay, here we go. Take out my bread knife. Oh no, look at the hole in that. Oh no, another holy please. Oh my god, what's going on here? Okay, this side looks good. Presentation side up. Okay, here's some more. Oh yeah, look at these like little Boston Bruin hockey pucks. And there we have it. Boston brown bread. Thank you for watching. Until next time.